Hello everybody, it's Matthias Neu out of the Grona office in Germany again. Hopefully you have seen the video about the installation of Machine Works before. Now, when having it installed, as you see that right now with having the AMS Machine Works icon on my desktop, I'm gonna start it now the first time and want to show you what to expect here. So when you're starting it first time, it asks you a few things to do. So let's do it. So with starting it, it asked me to log in, and the login initially is admin as a username, and the password is Emerson with a capital E, #1. And with pressing the login button, it asked me to set up a new password. So that's the first thing that you should be aware of. When logging into Machine Works first time with a default password, it asks you to set up something individually. For me, and for reason it's just a demo system, I'm going with the standard password Emerson #1 again. And entering it right now. Just for making sure I not forget it. Now, after having that entered and set up the new password, it also tells me that my license expired. So in reality, there has not been any license before. You will get your license file from the registration team. If you've ordered the software and bought the license, you will definitely get it from there. It comes as a file. So with clicking onto the Renew License button, it will hover me into the direction where I can activate my Machine Works finally. So the machine fingerprint is something that you should transfer into the license management team finally, and they will send you a license file back that relates to your installation, to your license as you have bought that. For me, I'm just going to choose the data or the data file, and I have stored it already to my desktop for easily finding it. It's the E5 user, and with opening it and pressing the Activate Product button finally, it applies to my system and adds the license into Machine Works, into my installation, for allowing me to log into that after a while. So giving it a minute or two for applying everything, and thereafter it automatically starts with the Asset Explorer.